if I walked in Coney Island, it was a small community, Coney Island. So when I walked around with my mother, you know, if somebody knew me from the Hebrew school, they would start teasing me. Oh, there goes Bashi, there's Bashi, because that was the name that I was being called in Hebrew school. But my legal name, Barbara, didn't become Barbara until I became a citizen.
And when did you become a citizen?
When I was 11. But in first grade, when I entered first grade, the principal did ask my mother to come up, and he spoke to her in Yiddish, and he said to her, we can't keep this name Basha. We have to become Americanized. So here are some choices. And he gave her like 5 or 6 choices with a B, starting with a B. And I don't remember being at this meeting, so she picked Barbara. And so I was Barbara. However, when legal things happened in school, like we had banking days in those days where you brought a quarter in or whatever money you had and you put into your savings account. So when they did that, my name wasn't Barbara. That's how the kids knew that I had another name. Where nowadays kids are so comfortable keeping their ethnic name from whatever country. You know, it wasn't the case in America in the 50s then. You just wanted to be as non-European, non-different. You wanted to become integrated into the community as quickly as possible.